Did you know that some of the biggest names in fintech are working behind the scenes to power your everyday payments? Rocket today, we're pulling back the curtain on Paysafe, a leading specialized payments platform. We're going to dive into the minds leading the company and the structure that makes it all tick. Leadership at the helm. First up, let's talk about the key players. The company is steered by a dynamic leadership team. At the top is Bruce Lowthers, the CEO and an executive director. He joined Paysafe in May 2022 and has been focused on transforming the company and driving it toward growth. Before Paysafe, Bruce spent 15 years at FIS, a Fortune 250 company, where he held senior roles, including president. His extensive experience in the payments industry is a huge asset. Another crucial member of the team is John Crawford, Paysafe's chief financial officer. He brings a deep background in finance, having previously worked at FIS, Bank of America Merrill Lynch, and Bear Stearns. He's responsible for managing Paysafe's financial strategy and a key part of the company's growth plan. And we can't forget about the operations side of things. The chief operating officer is Roy Aston, who joined Paysafe in 2019. He's in charge of global technology and operations, ensuring everything runs smoothly. The company's structure. So, how is Paysafe structured to get all this work done? The company has a lean and efficient organizational structure that has evolved over time. Bruce Lowthers made a significant change when he came on board, consolidating 5 business units into just 2, merchant solutions and digital wallets. This simplification has helped the company streamline its operations, improve the customer experience, and accelerate the launch of new products. The board of directors, led by Chairman Daniel Henson, provides strategic oversight and governance. This board includes a mix of independent and executive directors who bring diverse experience from the financial services and technology sectors. Their role is to ensure the company's long-term success and act in the best interest of its shareholders. At its core, Paysafe's structure is designed to be agile and focused. By centralizing key functions like sales, product development, and marketing, the company can move quickly to meet market demands and innovate in the fast-paced world of payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.